to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a super nutritious baby food for our little ones, suggested starting from 6 months of age. And we're going to prepare a Quinoa Blackberry Avocado Banana Puree. This is a super nutritious, complete meal for your little one, loaded with protein and omega-3 fatty acids that they are perfect for brain development. It's super simple to prepare and it can be ready in really 5 minutes if you simply cook the quinoa ahead. Let's start together. First thing to do, how to cook the quinoa. Super simple. Rinse the quinoa under running water, place it in a nice pot with water. When the water is boiling, set the timer at 15 minutes. Reduce the heat to simmer, cover with the lid and let the quinoa cook. And usually I cook 1 cup of quinoa that will give me around 3 cups of cooked quinoa, and I use the quinoa for so many recipes. And if you're looking for other recipes using quinoa for your little ones and older kids, check all the links in the area here below. But let's go back to our super simple baby puree. Once the quinoa is cooked, you take a blender or a tall container using an immersion blender and you're going to add all the ingredients. Let's start from the quinoa, the blackberries, the avocado, the banana, and if you need a more liquid consistency, you can add a thickening liquid of your choice: breast milk, baby formula, water, coconut water. Puree up until smooth and creamy. If you're looking for more information about how to thin your baby food, check this video too. It should be in this area of the video. You can serve the baby puree immediately, and if you have any leftover, you can store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. But remember, as we're using avocado, they will oxidate. It means that they will turn kind of brownish. So don't worry if taking the puree back from the refrigerator, it will just have a different color. It's still good. I really hope your little ones are going to enjoy this super healthy and nutritious baby puree. If you're looking for similar recipes, check the links in the area here below. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you're going to receive every week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, bye!